Hello, my gorgeous glam style family. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Araceli and I hope you're doing absolutely amazing today. In today's video, I'm so excited to be decorating my living room for this Easter Spring 2022. So without further ado, here it goes. A very spring Easter living room decor, a glam style. So here's all the little things that I'm going to be using, some things that I've accumulated over the years and some new stuff. Like for example, this arrangement that we used on my table decor for Valentine's. I just replaced the pink hydrangeas for this white ones and added this word that says risen. I also have this Bath and Body Works candle, this little baby breaths. The sign that's like right here in front of it is from the Dollar Tree. I paid $5 for it, as well as the pink truck. That one I paid $1.25 for them. The egg is a Ray Dunn egg and I got it at Marshall's. These pillows are from Ross, and these other purple ones are pillow covers from Amazon. I also have this rug that I got at Ross, and as you guys might be able to tell, I'm going to be decorating with the color of the year. I also have this lilac panels. I got these from Amazon. I'm gonna try and leave the links in the description below. They're really good quality and the color is really gorgeous. These blankets I got from Ross. I have this pink one and the one with the bunnies. This bunny is from Hobby Lobby and I just put the flower, and then I have this other little stuff that I've accumulated over the years. But of course, before we get started, I wanted to share with you what my living room looks like before I start decorating it and giving it that touch of spring. The only thing that I added was this purple garland right here that I got at home for $9.99. It's really pretty. The quality is not the best, but it does the job. Okay, my dolls, well, I'll leave you to enjoy this video. I hope you guys like it. Get some ideas to decorate your home, make it look beautiful for this spring Easter 2022. If you have any suggestions or any questions, let me know in the comments section. Thank you so much for your love, support, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
I see the light inside you.